Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max. Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max.
Max and Ruby.
Ruby and her little brother Max.
Max and Ruby! Ruby's Hippity Hop Dance. Okay, Louise, the music is all ready to go.
I've been wanting to try the Hippity Hop Dance ever since we saw the other Bunny Scouts doing it.
Me too.
But I'm not sure I can remember all the steps. It's hard.
Maybe if we listen to the music, all the steps will come back to us. Are you ready, Louise?
Ready, Ruby?
1, 2, 3. Football!
Huh?
Football!
Football?
Max, you can play football with Roger while we learn the Hippity Hop Dance.
Roger? Is he going to join us?
Roger said he'd be over to teach Max how to play football. Right, Max?
Hi.
Hi, Roger.
Hey, Max. Ready?
Football! Roger, do you think you and Max could play on the other side of the yard? Louise and I want to learn the Hippity Hop Dance over here.
Uh-huh. Let's go, Max. Hop, hop, hop.
See? Now we can do the Hippity Hop.
If we can remember it.
Right.
Okay. How does it start?
I think it goes like this. Step 1. Shrug your shoulders up and down. Now look side to side.
Then what?
Step 2. We, hop in a circle.
You're right, Ruby. That is the next step. You're good.
But I don't remember what comes after it.
See, Max? Like this. And like this. Got it? Okay. To me. Uh-huh.
Football.
Do we kick our feet?
I don't think so.
Do we wiggle our ears?
Huh? I really don't think so.
Then what is it?
Catch like this. And then bring the ball into your body like this. Okay?
Football.
Uh-huh.
Maybe if we start the music and try it again, we'll remember step 3.
Good idea, Ruby.
Step 1. Shrug your shoulders up and down.
And look from side to side.
Step 2. Hip, hop in a circle.
But what's step 3?
You run, I'll throw.
I can't remember. Football! Whoa, careful! I've got it! Max, can you stay on that side of the yard, please?
Ruby, did you see what you just did with the football?
What?
You did this.
Step 3! Let's try it! Step 1. Shrug your shoulders up and down.
And look from side to side.
Step 2. Hip, hop in a circle. Step 3. Wave your arms up high. Hop from side to side. Step 4.
Oh.
Let's start again.
To me, Max.
Football.
Uh-huh. Good throw, Max. All right.
Football. Ready, Louise?
Ready, Ruby.
Step 1. Shrug your shoulders up and down.
And look from side to side.
Step 2. Hip, hop in a circle. Step 3. Wave your arms up high. Hop from side to side. Step 4. Oh, I still can't remember step 4.
Go long, Max. Hut!
Football!
Uh-oh.
Wow! Whoa! Football!
Dodge, Max! Touchdown! Victory dance!
Look what they're doing, Louise.
I know.
Step 4! You're doing the Hippity Hop Dance.
Uh-huh. Victory dance.
Step 1. Shrug your shoulders up and down and look from side to side.
Step 2. Hip, hop in a circle.
Step 3. Wave your arms up high, hop from side to side. Step 4. Wiggle your bunny tail. All right.
We did it!
Cool. I thought I heard music. Oh, my! How did you all learn to do the hippity hop so well?
Football.
Well, whatever works.
Ruby's birdbath. I need one more badge to fill in this space on my Bunny Scout uniform. See? I have a badge for young baker, camper, cyclist, artist, collector, reader, hiker, careers, communication, computer fun, sports, dance, first aid, fitness, hobbies, fix-it, knots, music, community, plants and animals. But I don't have a Bunny Scout Young Environmentalist badge. And this is where my Young Environmentalist badge will go. In case you don't know, Max, the environment is the whole world around us, all of nature. And an environmentalist is someone who cares about nature. You know how I'll get my Bunny Scout Young Environmentalist badge, Max? I'll build an environmentally correct bird bath. That means it'll be just like a real bird bath out in the wild. Bath toys! Bath toys belong in your bath, Max. But this won't be that kind of bath. My bird bath will be all natural. All the birds will come to it. Uh-huh. Perfect. Bath toy. Birds don't have bath toys in the wild, Max. They have natural things like rocks to perch on, so they don't have to get their feet wet if they don't want to. Everything needs to be perfect to attract all the birds that fly north for the summer. They fly a long, long, long way, and that's why they need a good bath when they get here. I don't see any birds yet, Max. Time to add some lily pads.
Bath toy.
Hello, little water lily. I have a wonderful new home for you. Perfect. You can't have an environmentally correct bird bath without water lilies. Birds love the smell of water lilies the same way you love the smell of Big Beluga bubble bath, Max. This rock will stop the lily pad from floating away. See, Max? Huh? Lose something, Max?
Bath toy.
Bath toys do not belong in an environmentally correct bird bath. Rocks and lily pads do. They're perfect. If I was a bird, I couldn't wait to take a dip in my bird bath. Birds are very shy creatures. Maybe my bird bath needs something extra for privacy. I know just what we need. Wait here, Max. I'll be right back. These tall bulrushes are perfect for privacy. Look what I found, Max! Bulrushes. Oh. This rock will hold the bulrushes steady so they won't get blown over by a gust of wind. Max.
Bath toy.
I want to attract birds to my bird bath, Max, not scare them away. There's no place for bath toys in an environmentally correct bird bath, Max. Rocks, lily pad, bulrushes, and no bath toys. Perfect. As soon as the birds see my bird bath, they'll flock to it. And then I'll get my Bunny Scout Young Environmentalist badge. Why haven't any birds come yet? It can't be because of my bird bath. It's perfectly environmentally correct. Max, I think I see a bird. It's definitely something very rare and exotic. It's
bath toy.
Max, it's not your bath time. It's no wonder the birds haven't come to my bird bath. Come on out, Max. I'll never get my Bunny Scout Young Environmentalist badge with all your bath toys here. Huh? Duck, Max!
Congratulations on your magnificent, environmentally correct bird bath, Ruby. You have earned your Young Environmentalist badge.
Ooh, thanks, Bunny Scout Leader.
However did you manage to attract so many birds? Was it the rocks? Ducks do like rocks to sit on.
Kind of.
Was it the water lilies? They do smell so sweet.
Well,
I know. It was the bulrushes. Birds are very shy and like lots of privacy.
it was all of those things. Plus a little something extra. Bath toy! Super Max saves the world.
And once again, Super Bunny and his loyal friend Zoom Zoom save the world!
Super Bunny! Zoom Zoom!
And together, they fly off into the wild blue yonder, looking for another heroic deed.
That balloon sure is making funny sounds, Ruby.
It's very difficult to tie knots in these things. There. Now we've got all 3 balloons ready.
This is going to be our best science project ever.
Uh-oh. Super Bunny! Zoom Zoom! Hello, Super Bunny. And Zoom Zoom. Louise and I need these balloons for a solar system. It's our science project for school.
This big balloon is going to be the sun.
You know, the sun that shines in the sky all day. See? There's a picture of it.
And the smallest balloon is going to be the moon.
The moon's the big ball in the sky you see out your window at night.
And this one is going to be our planet, the Earth.
See? The green parts are the land, where all the bunnies live. And the blue parts are the water, where all the fish live. We have to be very careful with our project, Max. So please play with more somewhere else, okay?
Maybe Super Bunny and Zoom Zoom could search around the rest of the house for some toys to rescue.
Super Bunny! Zoom Zoom!
That should keep them busy for a while.
We just need enough time to cover these balloons with paper mache. Ew! This stuff sure is slimy.
And drippy.
Zoom Zoom! Super Bunny! Super Bunny! Zoom Zoom! Super Bunny! Zoom Zoom! The paper mache is supposed to go on the balloons, Louise, not on your nose.
The Super Bunny's got you too, Ruby. Okay, we've covered them all with paper mache. But we can't paint them till they're dry.
Uh-huh. I know how we can dry them faster. I'll be right back.
Using the fan to dry the planets was a great idea, Ruby.
They're ready. We can start to paint.
Okay, I'll paint the moon and sun, and you paint the earth. It's a lot harder, and you're a better painter.
Okay, Louise.
Our moon is all painted. Oh! Oh! Super Bunny! Zoom, zoom! Oh no! My moon is ruined!
It's okay, Louise. Look. It's a crescent-shaped moon.
It does look like a crescent moon.
Louise, it just got sunny.
I know. Any brighter, and we'd have to put our sunglasses on.
Isn't our world beautiful?
It's out of this world. Oh no! Do you hear what I hear?